Just 6 months after the Watch GT2 was released, Huawei decided to launch the Watch GT2e in line with the P40 series. If you missed to watch our P40 Pro review, then I will put down the link in the description as well as in the cards above. So moving on. Is this new smartwatch sportier than its predecessor? Let's find that out in this review today. I have here the graphite black. The other two variants available are lava red and mint green. The Huawei Watch GT range all have the beautiful displays. The OLED touchscreen with a 1.39-inch clear and bright display. The resolution of 454 by 454 makes it easy to read even in outdoor bright conditions. For some innovative watch faces, that makes it a great example. Since the beginning of the Watch GT line, Huawei is now offering a wide variety of watch face styles. The flat crown is enclosed in the stainless steel shell, while the wristband consists of a skin-friendly, soft fluoro rubber. I consider the GT2e watch convenient to wear during workout. Of course, under the watch, you are getting sweat build, but that's just natural. However, it is a water resistant up to 5 ATM, so nothing to worry. With regard to the performance, you still have the Huawei's in-house chip, the Kirin A1. It also has a 4 GB of internal memory in which you can store up to 500 songs, and you can listen to them by connecting your favorite set of Bluetooth headphones. If you missed out to watch my FreeBuds 3 review, then I have put the link in the description as well as in the cards above. Don't forget to watch it. The performance is therefore smooth and it is as fun to navigate the menus on a small 1.39-inch display. But this smartwatch is still without 4G LTE version. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. More incredible videos are lined up for you. Huawei's own Light OS remains Huawei smartwatch's favorite operating system. Huawei Health app manages everything on GT2e. The Huawei Health app is indeed decent to segregate every recorded sessions into all the details you need. From the changing range of your heart throughout a session to the calories burnt up and the time you need to recover afterwards. It also breaks off the amount of time you spent in any particular exercise in the fat burning zone to help make sure you get hard enough. The SpO2 function, however, is an on-watch app that requires you to remain still for a few minutes and allow the smartwatch to read itself manually. This reading is not logged in and does not appear as part of your sleep stats, in which it will detect possible sleep condition most effectively. The audio detect feature is the best thing. When you start a workout, it can sense the start and reminds you to keep a track of it. It supports 6 types of workouts, which includes outdoor running and walking, indoor running and walking, and elliptical and rower. Huawei says that you can use the Watch GT2e for up to 2 weeks from a full battery charge. That is possible if you have not used the watch to monitor your heart rate continuously or have any GPS tracking workouts. In my case itself, it was having the heart rate monitor continuously on, and with 20 to 40 minutes of daily workout, I was getting almost 10 plus days of charge. For more than a year now, I am using the Watch GT 1st Gen. With the battery life, I was never disappointed. When I am not using it to detect the sleep and continuous heart rate, I am getting 14 days of battery backup easily. Huawei Watch GT2 is a great device. If you have no budget for an Apple Watch or a high-end fitness watch from Garmin, Watch GT2e is cheap, but it will track almost all activity you want if it's just routine everyday activities. It actively monitoring your indoor and outdoor exercise workouts, or a mix of a lot. Currently in the market, this is the best watch with such an incredible battery life with so many features loaded, which is possible because of the Kirin A1 chip. I have put down the best buy links in the description, do check that out. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching. This is Manish and you are watching TechnSpice. We'll catch you in a cool new video. Until then, stay safe, goodbye.